I will be copying and pasting an object to the same location. Ensure that when you paste the object, the displacement is 0, 0, 0. This is the XYZ coordinates. Selection cycling is turned on to show the copied object. Select the object. Click CO for copy. Click Enter, Enter, Enter. This places the copied object on top of the original object. Escape cancels the command. Spacebar brings the command up again. Please subscribe if you like my videos. If you would like to support my work, you can at Buy Me a Coffee. Link is in the description below. I appreciate your views and support. Thank you.